If images are not showing in Google Chrome, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This is a really common browser issue, and it can happen because of a temporary glitch, a bad internet connection, a page that didn't load properly, blocked image permissions, or even corrupted cache files. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tools. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, restart Google Chrome completely, close the browser all the way, not just the tab, and then open Chrome again. Once it loads, go back to the web page where the images were missing and reload it. Sometimes Chrome just hits a temporary browser glitch, and restarting it clears that out immediately. If the issue was only a small loading error, this simple step can bring the images back right away. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly and that your connection is stable. A weak or unstable internet connection can stop images from loading fully, especially on pages with a lot of media. To test this, open another website and see if it loads normally. If other websites are also slow or broken, the problem may be your internet rather than Chrome itself. In that case, reconnect to your network or wait until the connection is more stable, then try the page again. Now, try refreshing the web page with a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. This is different from a regular refresh because it forces Chrome to reload the page directly from the website server instead of using saved files from the browser. If an image didn't load correctly the first time, this can often make it appear instantly. It is a very useful step when a page seems stuck or partially loaded. If images are still not showing, the next thing to check is Chrome's image settings. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then go to Settings. In the left menu, choose Privacy and Security, then click Site Settings. Scroll down until you find Images and open that section. Make sure the setting is set to sites can show images. If images are blocked, websites will not be able to display them correctly, so this setting needs to be enabled. Once you change it, go back and reload the website to see if the images appear. Another very effective fix is clearing the Chrome cache. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Here, select cached images and files, and also cookies and other site data if needed, then click Delete Data. Over time, corrupted cache files can interfere with how websites load, including images not displaying properly. After the cache is cleared, reopen the page and check again. This step often resolves stubborn loading problems that the other fixes do not catch. If you go through all of these steps, in most cases, the missing images in Google Chrome will start showing again. The key is to begin with the simplest fixes first, then move into settings and cache cleanup if needed. That way you save time and avoid changing anything unnecessary. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials and simple computer fixes. And if you want, check out the next video for more Chrome troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.